everyone, welcome back to my channel. In preparation for Easter, I created a series of videos for you. It's all about the decluttering, organizing, getting rid of expired products. In this video, we're gonna talk about when it's time to retire your skincare products, and I will give you several tips that will help you decide if you should toss your skincare product or if you should keep it. For those of you who don't know who I am, I'm Zhenya Gilday. I'm a skincare consultant specializing in skin nutrition. I help people identify and correct skin concerns even if they tried everything before. And I also help you create customized skincare regimen that you're gonna love using. The first way to determine if you should keep product or if you should toss it, if your product grew mold or fungus, you should definitely toss it. This is a no-brainer. It only happened to me once when the product grew mold because of the metal part on the lid. On the early stages, as soon as I noticed that, I put my body lotion in a different container, so this way I didn't have to throw the product away. But if you see that the mold is in the product, definitely get rid of all the products. You cannot have that bacteria, that fungus on your skin. The second way to determine if your product is good or not is you look in the packaging. Every product should have this little jar icon, and on it will tells you how many months to keep your product. Sometimes it's 6 months for more natural products, sometimes it's 9 months, it can be up to 2 years. I had this product for now over a year, so it says 9 months after opening. So that means I cannot use that product anymore. As much as I like it, if I use it, I can get some side effects, or it can just not be as effective. Because it's a brightening serum, if it's not as effective, it's not gonna brighten my skin. But also, I don't want it to cause any breakouts or any other skin issues. So I'm gonna be tossing this one, but I have a new one and I'm gonna show you how to store your products in the next video. Sometimes the products only put this little jar icon on the box, so when you take the product out of the box, it just has no jar icon. So you kind of need to pay attention when you bought a product, when you started using it, again to make sure you're not using expired products. A lot of people have sunscreen for years, but sunscreen expired too. And if your sunscreen is expired, it's not gonna be effective in preventing you from sunburns and aging and other skin concerns. So you definitely don't wanna keep your sunscreen for years. The product may seem good, but it will not be as effective. The third way to determine if you should keep your product or toss it is look at the color of the product. And that concerns ingredients like vitamin C. So vitamin C, when it oxidizes, it goes from lighter color to up to really dark brown color. I had this product for a while, but because sometimes I switch between the product, I gave it a little break, and now it looks like this product oxidized. I'm gonna place it here. So normally it's white, but now it looks orange. The fourth and the final way to determine if you should keep your product or toss it is the product texture. For this one, I got 2 products for you. So we have this Briogeo conditioner and we have this Briogeo shampoo. First of all, if you look at them, you can see even the coloring. This has the original purple coloring. This one changed the coloring so it became more pink. So some products have a little bit of dyes in them. If they change color a little bit, it's not always means they're expired, but this is significant difference in color. It went from purple to more pinkish purple. And also this shampoo, the texture definitely changed. It's super liquid now. It feels like a toner. In the beginning, it wasn't as liquid. So once the texture of your product changes, it's most likely mean that your product went bad and you should toss it. Because Briogeo is also using a lot of natural ingredients, this is the primary reason why this happened. Let's now look at the expiration date. Expiration date is 18 months after opening. I had these products for less than 18 months, I know for sure, but I guess so because of the direct sunlight in my bathroom and I left these products there, this one went bad. So it's really important to store your products correctly, and in the next video I'm gonna show you how to correctly store your skincare products. I also have another example for you. Some products tend to separate. It doesn't mean that they went bad, it's just the characteristics of the product. For this example, I have Glow Recipe Watermelon Mist here. When you see this product, it looks like something wrong with it. It looks like it might have gone bad, but some products, let's say you have a mist with clay, clay mists tend to separate, and then also mists like this that has some watermelon, some apple cider vinegar. So this one also, it's just the characteristics of the product that it tends to separate. So what you do, you just shake it well, and then see there's no little parts. So this one is still good, it's good to use. I'm gonna make sure to store it properly. Let me actually use some right now. This is really good product. That smells so good. This product is amazing. So let's quickly recap this video. So you're gonna toss your skincare product if it's past the expiration date on the packaging. You're gonna toss your skincare product if it has mold or bacteria in it, and also you're gonna toss your product if it changed the color or texture. Hopefully this video was helpful. In the next video we're gonna talk about how to organize and correctly store your skincare products. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite tip, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.